In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll have a clean, goal-focused page that captures signups and sends them to the right place inside your account. Start by opening your Mailerlite dashboard. From here, head to the Sites area in the main navigation. This is where Mailerlite keeps all website-related tools, including landing pages. Click Create Site to begin a new build. You'll be asked to enter a site name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, like the campaign or offer it supports. Next, you'll pick a type. Select landing page since we're creating a single purpose-built page rather than a full website. When that's set, click Save and continue to move forward. You'll now choose subscriber groups. This is important. Whenever someone signs up through this landing page, Mailerlite will place them into the group or groups you select. Use existing groups if you've already set up your segmentation, or create a new group beforehand so your audience stays organized. Good grouping makes automation and targeted emails much easier down the road. When your groups are selected, click Continue. You'll land on the template gallery. You can start from a blank canvas, but choosing a template that matches your goal, like promoting a lead magnet, event, or newsletter, can save time. Preview a few options to check layout and structure. When you found one that fits, click Choose. You're now in the editor to customize your landing page. Begin with the basics. A clear headline that states the benefit, concise supporting text, and a strong call to action on your button. Replace placeholder images with visuals that reinforce your message, and keep your color palette consistent with your brand for a professional feel. If your template includes a form, tailor the fields to the minimum you truly need. Shorter forms usually convert better. On the left, you'll see elements you can add, things like text blocks, images, buttons, and forms. Use these elements to shape your story and guide visitors toward the action you want them to take. Drag and drop elements onto the canvas, then rearrange them until the hierarchy feels natural. Headline first, value explanation next, social proof or benefits, and the form or button front and center. Keep spacing generous so everything is easy to scan, and check that your layout reads well on mobile by keeping columns simple and text sizes legible. That's it. You've created a Mailerlite landing page, assigned it to the right group, chosen a template, and customized it using drag and drop elements.